Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Garmin HRM Dual to Strava, leveraging the latest methods for 2025. Your HRM Dual transmits heart rate data via Bluetooth Low Energy or ANT Plus technology. However, Strava itself doesn't directly pair with a heart rate monitor. Instead, you'll use a compatible device as an intermediary to capture that crucial data during your activity. The most common and seamless way involves using your existing Garmin watch or bike computer. First, pair your HRM Dual directly to your Garmin device via the Sensor Settings menu, usually found under Sensors and Accessories. Once paired, simply record your activity as usual with your Garmin device. After completing your workout, ensure your Garmin Connect app automatically syncs with your Strava account, transferring all recorded data, including your heart rate. Alternatively, you can use the Strava mobile app directly on your smartphone. Begin by opening the Strava app and tapping the Record tab. Look for the heart rate icon or a Sensors option, often accessible by tapping the gear or ellipsis icon. From there, select Pair Sensor and choose your Garmin HRM Dual from the detected Bluetooth devices. Ensure Bluetooth is active on your phone for successful detection and connection before starting your activity. For optimal performance, always ensure your HRM Dual has sufficient battery life. A low battery can cause erratic readings or disconnections. Before wearing, slightly moisten the electrode pads on the strap with water or saliva to ensure immediate and accurate heart rate detection. Also, double-check that your smartphone's operating system has granted Strava the necessary permissions for Bluetooth access, as this is crucial for sensor discovery and data capture. Should you encounter any connectivity issues, a simple troubleshooting step is to unpair and then repair your HRM Dual sensor in your chosen app or device. Always keep your Strava and Garmin Connect apps updated to their latest versions, as this often resolves bugs and improves compatibility. With these steps, you're all set to consistently track your heart rate data from your Garmin HRM Dual directly on your Strava activities. Enjoy your workouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.